So this time, my client doesn't want to use a 3D, he only wants the floor plan, so I don't need to go hide between the shots and leave the tripod there. Just need to back up from it so the post-production can see and trace the walls and the trims in the house. So I'm on ground level, I'm on the app, just press record, put it here, back up like this, pick it up, back up, just need to do this, and grab it here, back up like this. So very simple, way quicker than when you have to go hide. Don't need to actually set your camera and make sure that it's facing virtual north. We don't do this for the 2D. So going around here, just back up like this, and I'm done for the ground level.